Part B. When x is 1 and y is 0.5, the rate of change of y with respect to x, that's dy by dx, is equal to 2. Find y when x is 3. Okay, so you might want to just get started on the differential equation solving and do the separating of the variables. But actually what we can do is work out the k before we even start that. Okay, if you substitute in the value for dy by dx and the value for y, you get 2 is equal to 0.5k, which gives you k is 4. So it's going to look nicer to have a 4 rather than a k flying around. If you didn't spot that and you didn't work out the k till later, that's fine, but you have to come back to this original equation to work the k out. Right, so now we're doing our separating of our variables step. So we bring the dx up onto the top of the right hand side. Anything that's a y has to be brought out and down onto the y side. So timesing y up on this side turns into a dividing y on the y side. I'm not going to take the 4 with it. I'm going to keep the 4 on the x side. It's easier there. Okay, pop your integration symbols in and integrate both sides with respect to their letters. So 1 over y integrates to ln y. 4 integrates to 4x plus constant. Let's substitute in now x equals 1 when y is a half. So we get ln of a half is equal to 4 plus c. That means we can say ln of a half take away 4 is our constant. Okay, not going to turn that into a decimal. Let's keep it as a log for a while. Okay, let's put that back in and we get ln of y is equal to 4x plus ln of a half take away 4. Okay, it hasn't actually asked me to find y in terms of x as an algebraic expression, so I don't think I need to actually try and rearrange that. It's just asked me to find y when x is 3, so I think we can just substitute in x is 3 without doing any sort of tidying up. Okay, that's going to give us, when x is 3, ln of y is 12 plus ln of a half take away 4. Okay, I didn't say we couldn't use decimals, so we can try with decimals to start with. So that would be 8 plus ln a half is 7.306 or 307, and then we can e that side to get 1490.47 or 0.48. Let's not worry too much about the rounding at that point. If I was going to try and do it without resorting to decimals, okay, I will bring the ln a half across. Obviously I can still do 12 minus 4 is 8. I can use my log rules. I can then say e of the other side and then bring the half up. So if you want to check, a half e to the 8 is the same as 1490.478, it is. Okay, so you could have done it without resorting to decimals if you had to have done.